Hey, what's up, Winklink Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Winklink. My friends, what's the current price of Winklink? What's the price in token this time in the Winklink? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now, if you look at this time price of the Winklink at this time in the market, so 0.0005 USD dollar is the current price of the Winklink. You can see here that is the current price of the Winklink, and Bitcoin BTC price you can see here 0.00000 is the current price of BTC. So my friends, people ask me questions about Winklink, that when will the price of Winklink increase, what's the current price of Winklink. In this video I will show you, friends. You can see here now the price is occurring in the Winklink. Last 1 hour price is only 1.98%. is going positive. Absolutely, Winklink are again going to the moon very soon. Very soon you will find Winklink going to hit a $1 USD, my friends. My friends, what's going on 6th June? 6th June is the pumping day of the Winklink. There is a lot of chances to they take a jump. There is a lot of chances to they take a jump on 6th June. That is why I recommend for everyone to hold your coin throughout this whole month. And my friends, if you invest more and more, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit if you invest more. And if you not invest, so that's good, that's okay. Absolutely, if you hold you will get a profit, and if you sell you will lose. 24 hours pricing is positive. From yesterday, from the start of June, the Winklink start moving upward. Let me show you, friends, the price start of the Winklink. You can see here that is the last one. In the previous month, the whole month the price of Winklink is fast down, but now currently situation is going better and the price is going to the moon. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Winklink? Please also share in the comment box. And remember, my friends, on the 6th June, get ready for the 6th June. The pumping tea of the 6th June are coming soon. The Winklink take a jump on the 6th June. So be ready and be active in the market. Anyways, share your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.